Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Edinburgh, is the capital city of Scotland and one of its 32 council areas. The city is located in southeast Scotland and is bounded to the north by the Firth of Forth estuary and to the south by the Pentland Hills. Edinburgh had a population of 506,520 in mid-2020, making it the second most populous city in Scotland and the seventh most populous in the United Kingdom. The wider metropolitan area had a population of 912,490 in the same year. Recognized as the capital of Scotland since at least the 15th century, Edinburgh is the seat of the Scottish Government, the Scottish Parliament, the highest courts in Scotland, and the Palace of Holyrood House, the official residence of the British monarch in Scotland. It is also the annual venue of the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland. The city has long been a centre of education, particularly in the fields of medicine, Scottish law, literature, philosophy, the sciences, and engineering. The University of Edinburgh, founded in 1582 and now one of three in the city, is considered one of the best research institutions in the world. It is the second largest financial centre in the United Kingdom, the fourth largest in Europe, and the 13th largest internationally. The city is a cultural centre, and is the home of institutions including the National Museum of Scotland, the National Library of Scotland, and the Scottish National Gallery. The city is also known for the Edinburgh International Festival and the Fringe, the latter being the world's largest annual international arts festival. Historic sites in Edinburgh include Edinburgh Castle, the Palace of Holyrood House, the churches of St Giles, Greyfriars, and the Canongate, and the extensive Georgian New Town built in the 18th/19th centuries. Edinburgh's Old Town and New Town together are listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which has been managed by Edinburgh World Heritage since 1999. The city's historical and cultural attractions have made it the UK's second most visited tourist destination, attracting 4.9 million visits, including 2.4 million from overseas in 2018. Edinburgh is governed by the City of Edinburgh Council, a unitary authority. The City of Edinburgh Council area had an estimated population of 514,990 in mid-2021, and includes outlying towns and villages which are not part of Edinburgh proper. The city is in the Lothian region and was historically part of the Shire of Midlothian, also called Edinburghshire. 6 perfect places to enjoy a sunrise in Edinburgh. Arthur's Seat, perfect for panoramic views of the sun rising over Edinburgh's iconic skyline. Portobello Beach, perfect for enjoying the sun rising and reflecting over the ocean, at a beach not too far from the city centre. The Shore, Leith, perfect for a morning of exploring one of Edinburgh's coolest neighbourhoods. He Royal Mile, perfect for enjoying the sunrise over Edinburgh's historic Old Town. The Vennel, perfect for enjoying the unrivaled view of Edinburgh Castle with the sun rising behind it. The Perfect Picture, the Forth Bridge, perfect for an early morning stroll at Edinburgh's seaside village and sitting to enjoy the sunrise across the Firth of Forth. The reflections on the water can be breathtaking. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.